Welcome to AI Watch, where artificial intelligence meets your everyday reality. I'm here to break down the latest AI developments that actually matter to real people living real lives. Google's Gemini has just rolled out a feature called Scheduled Actions that lets users schedule tasks through simple prompts, supporting up to 10 active commands simultaneously. This might sound like just another tech update, but it represents something much bigger. We're witnessing the birth of truly anticipatory digital assistants. Think about how you currently manage your daily routine. You set alarms, create calendar reminders, and maybe use sticky notes scattered across your desk. Scheduled Actions fundamentally changes this relationship between you and your digital assistant. Instead of reactive help, you're getting proactive partnership. Here's where it gets interesting for ordinary users. Imagine telling your phone once that you want to be reminded to call your mom every Sunday at 3 p.m. or that you need a grocery list generated every Friday based on your meal plan. The AI doesn't just remember these tasks, it anticipates them. This isn't about replacing human thinking. It's about freeing up mental bandwidth for the things that truly matter. But let's pause here, because I want to share something important with our AI Watch community. If you're finding value in these deep dives into practical AI applications, hitting that subscribe button helps us reach more people who need this information. We're building a community of informed AI users, not passive consumers. The implications of anticipatory AI assistance go far beyond convenience. We're looking at a fundamental shift in how people with busy lives, disabilities, or cognitive challenges can maintain independence and productivity. A parent managing work and family schedules can set recurring reminders for everything from school pickup times to bill payments. Someone recovering from illness can establish vacation schedules, and gradual activity increases without constant mental effort. What makes this particularly significant is Google's integration approach. This isn't happening in isolation. Gemini Live already connects with Maps, Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and third-party applications like Spotify and YouTube Music. Scheduled Actions becomes the conductor of this digital orchestra, orchestrating your entire ecosystem of applications and services. However, we need to address the elephant in the room. With great automation comes great responsibility. When AI systems start taking proactive actions on our behalf, we're essentially delegating decision-making authority. The 10-command limit Google has implemented suggests they understand this concern. It prevents overwhelming automation while maintaining user control. The broader trend here connects to what we're seeing across the AI landscape. Amazon's Alexa Plus has already surpassed 1 million users since February 2025, showing massive appetite for enhanced AI assistance. People aren't just curious about AI anymore. They're actively adopting it into their daily workflows. The question isn't whether AI will become integral to daily life, but how quickly and how thoughtfully. For everyday users, Scheduled Actions represents a practical entry point into advanced AI assistance. You don't need to understand machine learning algorithms or prompt engineering. You simply tell the system what you need, when you need it, and how often. Its complexity remains hidden while the benefits become immediately apparent. Looking forward, this type of anticipatory AI will likely become table stakes for digital assistants. It's companies that figure out how to make AI genuinely helpful in daily life, rather than just impressive in demonstrations, will capture the mass market. Google appears to be making this bet with Scheduled Actions. The real test will be user adoption and retention. Previous attempts at automated assistants often failed because they created more friction than they resolved. Early user reports suggest Scheduled Actions avoids this trap by keeping the interface simple and the automation transparent. As we wrap up today's analysis, remember that we're living through a historic transformation in human-computer interaction. Features like Scheduled Actions aren't just convenient tools, okay? They're stepping stones toward a future where AI amplifies human capability rather than replacing it, okay? Staying informed about these developments so you can make thoughtful choices about which AI tools serve your actual needs. That's our deep dive for AI Watch. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep making AI work for you, not the other way around. Till next time, this is the iWatch, where we decode tomorrow's technology for today's decisions.